how to add Instagram to TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can add Instagram to your TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to basically add Instagram to TikTok, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, maybe you want to add an Instagram link to your TikTok, or maybe link your Instagram to TikTok. Open the TikTok app and just come to your profile page. Right now you can see in my case I have already added a YouTube, and similarly if I want to add an Instagram account, all I need to do is just tap the edit profile option here, and once I tap on edit profile, scroll down under the social tab, you'll find Instagram and YouTube. Now for YouTube I've already added. For Instagram, if you want to add it, tap the add Instagram option here, and all you have to do is, if it asks you to log in, go ahead and then log in. If it asks you to write the username for your Instagram account, and after you do that, your Instagram account will get successfully added to your TikTok profile. This way you can basically add Instagram to TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.